Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how to back up Android phone to Google Drive. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First thing, you have to make sure to install Google Drive. If not, head over to your respective app store. On the search box, you want to type in Drive and install it so. After which, you also want to make sure to create an account using your Google account. And once you do it so, you'll be then able to install it. After which, you want to exit out of this page, come to your settings, and here you want to type in backup. Now this actually depends on the type of device that you're using. So you want to type in backup and you could find system backup. First thing, you want to make sure to select the particular account that is logged in with your Drive as well. And after that, click on the confirm button. Once you've actually done it so, you want to make sure to click on backup by Google One. You could go ahead and click on backup now and you could start with the backup procedure. So that is how you back up onto your Google Drive. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.